Cassie from True North here again, and I'm coming to you this week with Incident Response 101. So you've had a breach. What do we do now? We don't panic, we call me, but then we do these following steps. So first things first, freeze everything. All devices affected or assumed to be affected should be immediately taken offline. Do not shut them down or alter them in any way. The goal here is to stop communication to and from the impacted systems. So if you have a virtual machine and you can initiate a snapshot in this moment, go ahead and do that right now. Second step, check the auditing and logging systems. Oftentimes an attacker will have disabled the auditing and logging in order to cover their tracks, so make sure you go ahead and turn these systems back on immediately. Third, change the passwords and lock all of the credentials. This ensures the cessation of the breach if it is still ongoing. Fourth, begin investigating the impact. So we want to know what happened, what information was accessed, what systems and accounts were compromised, and this is to determine the scope of the breach and to begin formulating a plan in order to solve it. So fifth, we're going to determine how it happened. And we talk about band-aiding situations a lot in this industry, and this is because not everyone does their due diligence to find the root cause of the breach or of the incident. They just rush to get it fixed and rush to get everyone back online. And in a hospital with 3,000 employees, it really could take a while to find out that a board member left their unencrypted cell phone in a cab in Hong Kong. But don't stop after finding a single unauthorized point of entry, because recognizing that in large companies, they're often attacked on multiple fronts. So assume that you were breached on more than one point of entry. Sixth, determine what to do next. So now comes the patching to seal up the holes in your ship, per se. So establish whether you need to remotely wipe a stolen device, or update some software, or change network firewall rules, run anti-malware scans, improve logging, whatever else. Then enact this plan or plans straight away. Seventh, communicate this plan to all necessary personnel. And if the prior step was a technical one, then this one is the communication step, and it is no less important. So depending on the nature of the breach, your legal team, public relations, human resources, and even customer service may need to be trained in a uniform response to inquiries from the public. So additionally, you may need to communicate this to HIPAA or the governing body that oversees your industry. So that's all I have for this week. Thanks for tuning in. Please, if you have any questions, shoot them to me down below. As always, follow us on LinkedIn at True North ITG, and take care. Have a good week. Bye-bye.